Mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga akiruta ndumiriri yake kuri andiki a mohoro niamenereirie Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta iguru ria kunyihanhyihia kigina kiria county iriuganagia kumana na maguta ona kana mahiga magoro maria mauma county-ini.
In rejecting the bill, the President proposed drastic changes to the benefits and sharing formula that had been proposed by Parliament. One of the amendments the President wants is to reduce the amount due to the host communities from 10% to 5%.
Thutha wa Mutongoria wa bururi gukinyerio riendekithia riu niguo ekire kirore giake aranyihanyirie kigina na thutha ucio aracokia nderetio kuri bunge. Ikinya riu ritikenetie Mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro na aria mamunyitaga mbaru.
It is clear that what the President cannot countenance the fact that the future economy of this country will be dependent on counties and peoples that have been neglected and treated with the contempt ever since the colonial days and in all our years of independence as low potential areas.
Raila oigete ati ikinya riu ni njira ya gutunya aikari a county ya Turukana utonga wao.
Why petroleum? Mr. President, the dreams of the Turkana, Pokot, Marakwet, Coastal or Somali children are as valid as those of other children from other parts of Kenya.
Arioge ikaro-ini kiu gavana wa Turkana Joseph Nanok oigete ati kunyihanhyihia kigina kiu ni kwaga gwiciria aikari makiria a county yake aria kwa miaka miingi maturite na thina muingi ona gutiganirio na oho akauga uguo ni kwagarara watho.
Essentially, this bill is not only targeted for the Turkana oil, but also for oil that it may be discovered in all other parts of the country where exploration is going on.
Raila oigete ati no nginya president ahega tifagitio na njira ya guthingata maria mandikitwo. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, jetagwo Ken wa Kuraya.